Great. So this is Raymond's right orthotic. Now, if you look at it from the side there, you see there's an arch built into it. That's to mimic our idealized arch in the foot. Now, when we cast it, we're casting a problem foot. So it won't really, you know, when you first put this in, it feels like you're stepping on a golf ball because your foot can't really do that. But we say wear it for 1 hour the first day, 2 hours the second day, and with each step, the orthotic is pushing against the arch of the foot, and little by little, it is, as we go through the thousands of steps a day, the orthotic tells the foot how to move towards its healthier, more normal position. It's like orthodontics. If you were going to put an Invisalign, it just changes a little at a time, and that's what the orthotic is doing. Because Raymond has this combination of stress from the low back of the nerves that are going into the leg, but there was also a problem in the foot itself. So we adjust the foot to make it so that's flexible, and we use the orthotic to go ahead and lift the arch back up. And the combination of all this gives our best chance for our body to rebalance, to perform at its best, get rid of the symptoms, and to be as healthy as possible. That's how this works.